Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the MSI is plugged in and any unsaved work is saved. Sudden power loss can corrupt files. Once done, open the Start menu, hold the Shift key and click Restart to jump straight into the Windows recovery environment. This avoids guessing keystrokes. If that fails, you can force 3 interrupted boots by powering off during Windows load to trigger recovery. Make sure you're ready to proceed into troubleshooting once the recovery screen appears. You'll now navigate the menus. On the recovery screen, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. These steps expose boot configuration controls so you can pick Safe Mode. Once in Startup Settings, click Restart to reboot into the list of boot options. This list includes Safe Mode with Networking, and Safe Mode with Command Prompt. Make your selection based on whether you need internet access. Safe Mode with Networking loads essential network drivers, while Standard Safe Mode minimizes drivers for troubleshooting. After the restart, watch the numbered options and press the corresponding number key to boot into your chosen Safe Mode. You must act quickly when the menu appears. Once in Safe Mode, you can uninstall problematic drivers, run antivirus scans, or check Device Manager. These actions work because only essential drivers are loaded. If Safe Mode won't start or the system behaves the same, return to Advanced Options and Use System, restore to roll back to a known good state. This often fixes boot issues without reinstalling Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.